my closet do's and don't, how I elevated my style and went from this to this. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lindsay, so let's get right in the video. So I'm reporting live bare. I feel so naked right now because I don't have my jewelry on, and also I don't have lashes, but that was intentional though. But anyways, today we are going to elevate a dress together. So I'm going to show you how I used to dress, how I would pair it previously, and how I would pair it now as of today. This is a green dress that was bought like maybe a year ago. I never got to wear it. It looks really washed out on video. So let me go ahead, put this on like I would have put it on in the past. Okay, so this is the outfit. This is how I believe I would dress it if this was Lindsay a few years ago. Since my feet are not really visible in camera, I'm not gonna put the shoes on, but I would probably be wearing sandals. And since I don't have that many sandals, there is not a lot of options. Since I have the black on, I feel like this is what I would wear. Cardigan, low, like visible jewelry, like you barely see what I have on. Like seriously. So yeah, so you get a little 360. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna elevate this. First thing first, drop the cardigan. Drop the cardigan. Lindsay now would not be wearing cardigans. Let them arms flap. Okay. Nah, but for real, I wouldn't be wearing cardigans except if it's like cold and I can figure out a way to match it. But else than that, no cardigans. What I would prefer to do, like it's a little bit chillier, I would wear a scarf. So boom, bada bada. I have this white scarf here. Okay, these I can't. I'm gonna keep the earrings on, just this I can't. Let's see with this white one, because the white and green is actually quite cute. This is another thing that I like to do, is to just drop a cute scarf. You know, already it's cute. Well, it's cuter than before. If you're a little shy about your arms, or you know, you just feel like being bare is way too soon for you, you can definitely just throw a little scarf on. So instead of wearing a cardigan, get rid of the cardigan, get yourself a scarf. Let me see if I can do like a 360 real quick. Boom, 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 boom. And this is what we're looking like. Okay, so the next thing, we are getting rid of these, okay? Goodbye. Goodbye. I don't care if you have sandals or if you have sneakers, get rid of them. We're not doing that. I'd really like to show the sneakers on, but unfortunately, like I said, we can't even see the sneakers. So the shoes, we can't even see the shoes. I get it that not everybody likes to wear heels, sometimes just because of your height or for comfortability, but I would suggest a heel, okay? Hear me out. I do not like to wear heels for these reasons that I just mentioned. So what helped me be able to walk in these type of heels, it's starting with like wedges, not wedges, but platform. I don't really know how you call them. Heels with big heel. So whether it was a boot or these, I think these are actually what really helped me get comfortable with heels. These are Madden Girls. I love these heels. They're white. At the moment, they're dirty as heck. I don't know if you can see it through camera, but they're really, really dirty. I need to wash them. This is what I would wear with this dress, especially if we have the white cardigan. These are what I think would look cute. You can wear a boot as well, but depending on where you're going. I feel like a boot is kind of like, you know, but yeah, these are my Steve Madden boots. I really love these. They would be cute, but this is not what I'm going for. This is actually one of my favorite heels because I can actually walk in this and I feel comfortable in it. If we're just going off of just the style, then these heels would have to be my winners. I feel like it's also naked, so it's cute and sexy. I actually want to put it on. Give me a second. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this on so I can show you a little bit of it. Do I make you horny, baby? This is me at my normal height. This is me at the heels height. So I don't know if you can see the heel. It's really cute. Yeah, so this is the heel. I know it's not, you can't really see the heel, but it's really cute. Like, it's a cute vibe together. Anyways, it's really, really cute together. Like, I can last a good amount of time, but after a while, it's like, okay, it's okay. But actually, these are actually the most comfortable heels that are like skinny like this. These are Brush. The name is Brush. Next step put them jewels on. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I felt really naked because jewelry is my thing. Now I love to put jewelry on. I have my signatures where I always put jewelry, earrings, necklace, bracelets. So these are my staples because I always feel like it just elevates a look. You look more, you know, I don't know, I just love a good jewelry. I am going to go with gold. Let me go ahead and pick my stuff. The lighting is a bit off, I'm not gonna lie, it's not my best. I don't really like this lighting, but without the bangles, just with this crystal rhinestone diamond bracelet, it would be cute. If it's just, you know, like just a cute little night out, I would do the bangles. Without the bangles, it's nice, but it's really plain to me, so I don't know if I would do without the bangles. This is what it would give. It's cute, but I just feel really naked. I just feel really naked. So let me put the bangles on. My mom got this from the beauty supply store. This, I got this from Forever 21, I believe. I think the dress is from Rainbow. We didn't put the earrings on yet, but we're going to. The necklace, I don't know where it's from. My sister got it for me, I believe. I decided to go with this because, as you see, there's a lot of cleavage to cover here. And I just thought this was cute and elegant. Jeez. So I went with this because, I don't know, I think it's elegant, it's cute. I never really wore it before like that, I believe. So I just went with this, but you can definitely go with something a little bit like higher. That would be cute too. But I went with this because I thought that was cute. So yeah, I was actually debating between these two. So please don't look too closely because these actually have turned, okay? They're currently a shade from green. So these have turned, but these were definitely one of my favorite type of earrings. And I have these as well. I think I got these from H&M. If not H&M, Forever 21. But the way they have lasted, it might be H&M. I was contemplating between these two, and since I am Lindsay, I have to go with these because they're just prettier. Well, they're more in your face, and I like that. This is actually what I would wear. I think that's cute. Next thing would be fragrance. Okay, I feel like back in the days I would just throw a little body mist. I really got into perfume like really bad in like 2021, 2022. This is my current favorite actually. The Flower Bomb Dew from Victor and Ralph. Ooh, I did not see, I'm almost out. Cause you see the color of the bottle, you can't really see the liquid. I just be taking it and spritzing it, and I see that like I'm halfway. Yeah, I might have to slow down on this one. But this is definitely one of my favorite fragrances. Let me bring the light down so you can actually see. I'm gonna keep it down for a little moment. This is actually one of my favorite fragrances at the moment. Let me put some right now. It smells amazing. I don't know how to describe smells, I'm sorry. And my other favorite has to be, oh, I still have a little bit. I thought I was empty. It is the K.Ali, what is it? K.Ali Eden, the apple juice. Number 1, I think. My friend, my sister, my friend actually bought this for me for my birthday. So when I turned 24. And I have loved this down. I have had so many compliments wearing this perfume. So this is definitely one of my favorite. I don't know how much they are. Apparently they're expensive. I think. I don't know. I didn't check. But apparently they're expensive. As soon as I can, I will buy a bottle of this because it smells amazing, and apparently it goes really well with me. But I would say go ahead and put your favorite fragrance. Buy some perfume. I started really cheap. I have a few expensive ass perfume here, okay? I have Maison Margiela. I have Armani, Imperial Armani. I have Valentino. What is it called? I have some Valentino. I have a few expensive ones, I believe. I could have more expensive ones, but I'm not crazy because $200 perfume, not in my budget. But I would say start cheap, okay? I used to have a shit ton of perfume that was from Urban Planet. I had stacks and stacks and stacks of perfume, and that's how I love and happiness. Okay, yeah, just start small, okay? I had a shit ton of like perfume that were cheap, and it was great. I smell good. And that's how I got into buying more expensive perfume. So where I add perfume, I start with my wrist and I dab it on my neck. And then after that, I go ankle and behind my leg, or right here. Why? I don't know. This is how I saw people doing it, and I actually started to incorporate it myself. And I feel like it's more targeted, so you lose less fragrance and you smell good longer. And final but not least would have to be all type of accessories. So if you want to add more jewels, add more jewels. Then we'll have to do your hair. For right now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. I think, you know, it's fine. Bag. Let's get into the bag. So I have a few bags. I'm not gonna lie. I have a bag full of bags. I don't feel like taking it out. So we'll have to do with what we have here. This is one of my favorite bags. I actually really love this bag. I don't know if this would this be cute? Hold on, let me see, because give me a second. Ooh, this is cute. But I don't think it would be like cute together. Like, it's a cute bag, but I would not wear these two together. No, I would not. Another one of my faves, but I don't think it would be cute together. No, this is actually. Okay, I actually like it with this one. I actually really like with this bag. So I found this in my mother's closet, and I feel like this is the obvious choice. You know, it's gold, black, it matches the jewelry, it matches the heels, it matches the heel, you know, obvious choice. I feel like it really just goes together. But I'm not an obvious choice type of person. I don't like to be an obvious choice type of person, and I don't want to be an obvious choice type of person. I think I am just going to go with my Steve Madden. I don't know how is this bag called, but I think this is what I have to go with. They still go together. I feel like it just gives you that, I don't know, I just like it. I like this one better. But I would go ahead and pair. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture so you can see the whole thing together. I'm gonna put the heels on. So this is how I would elevate a look today. So we didn't go nothing too extreme to like make you feel uncomfortable. Just enough to just elevate the look. You know, we just change a little bit of stuff. Remove the cardigan, add more jewelry, add some heels and stuff, add a cute little purse. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will definitely see you in the next one, which is coming pretty soon. Bye, y'all. Yeah. Body T, face T. Face never decline. Body doesn't decline too. Like, whoo! And for the people that are pressed about panty lines, please get the fuck on, because I really don't give no fucks about no motherfucking panty line, okay? I wear panties like everybody wear panties. Who gives a fuck? If you see it because I'm wearing panties, bitch, I'm not no dirty bitch. I wear panties. Like, and I'm sorry, I don't wear like thongs all of the time. Like, my booty be eating them. Okay? Like, if you're pressed about a panty line, I don't know what to tell you. Bitch, like, I don't know what to tell you. I don't like to wear those. I have one for the purpose of the video, but I don't like to wear those like shape wears and shit like that. I ain't got time for it. I don't have time for it. I wear panties like everybody else. Okay. Bye.